Hello. In the morning, beautiful weather. Sun just getting ready to come up. You can see that, and you see an example of my chop and drop. All this is weeds. Look at it. It looks like brown. Uh, it looks like it is a covering. All this is going to be cut back as well. All this is going to be cut back. This is just, I get it a little at a time, but sometimes it just got overrun because of the extreme heat that we had this year. This over here, I'm growing my seeds. That corn will be taken down. I'm not saving seeds from that because I believe that's a hybrid. But this okra right here, these are seeds. I let them grow this year for seeds because I was running really low, folks, on seeds. So, got my seeds. That'll probably be a few hundred seeds. And then over here, all this was hit, chopped back, except for this here. This will be next. Let's see what we got here. Got some tomatoes here. I think I'll take you in because you're not going to get very big. This was a test here. I tried growing multiple tomatoes together in one spot. So, see what they would do. And that's about 4 or 5 plants. And I'll get this one over here. Pull that one, there we go. Looks like cats have been scratching on them. So, Cherokee purple tomatoes. And I don't see any blossoms on them for anymore. So, I might hack that down today. Alright, this is Morning Garden. One more look at the chop and drop. And there's my manure fork I keep telling everyone about. You just stick it in the soil, rock it back. And I'm really going to get in here today and hit all this because I got it under control where I want it. It may not look like it, but I do. I do this year in and year out, each year. And you hit all of this, and all this turns back brown into a covering, which is weeds and grass. Up here, weeds and grass. All right, this is the Morning Garden Show. Thank you.